guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today is a really late video. It's been a very busy weekend leading up to, of course, XRP Wave of Innovation on the Gold Coast next week. That's going to be absolutely insane. So if you have not gotten your tickets to that, make sure you do. I am flying up literally on Saturday morning for the afternoon. I'll be there all day, then flying back to Melbourne. So I'm looking forward to seeing everybody there. Also, we've got some bullish news updates in relation to XRP, literally making the top 10 on the Forbes list, which is incredibly bullish. And again, 3 reasons why XRP could potentially turn in March this month, okay? We've got Grayscale pushing forward with their Ethereum ETF, which is very interesting as well. There has been a significant pullback from, the entire crypto market. Everyone's feeling it at the moment. And we've got the Crypto.com founder giving an explanation as to what the hell is going on. Again, we've got Solana dethroning Ethereum as well. Pre-Bitcoin halving. The retracement that's occurring in the markets at the moment, it's fascinating. And there is only literally 32 days to the next Bitcoin halving, which is going to be freaking wild. It is a big couple of weeks coming, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be absolutely awesome. But let's get into the video. I'm not going to keep it long. Going to be a short one tonight because I'm absolutely wrecked. But massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here on the screen, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. It is down there. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my #1 golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right, formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's about 11:30 p.m. here on Sunday evening. The market is very quiet at the moment. Personally, there are some great dollar cost averaging opportunities, buying a little bit every single week. And when the market is quiet, this is when I'm extremely bullish. Top alts in the portfolio, we had CFX, Ravane, Near Protocol, AGIX, and Solana. Of course, that is dominating right now, 57%. Everyone's very bullish on that. Quick look at coin market cap now. We've got $2.54 trillion, which is very nice. $154 billion in volume. We're still at 51% Bitcoin dominance and 82% on the Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin is down significantly in the last couple of days. It has been freaking annoying. A lot of people got liquidated. It is what it is. This is the part of the territory when you're trading cryptos. But if you're buying and holding and then selling at the top, that is a different strategy altogether. Bitcoin sitting at $66,713, which is incredible. Ethereum's at $3,500. We have BNB at $567 today. Not big on BNB, to be quite honest with you. Solana is up in the green, literally the only one, 0.77% right now. That is $190, which is incredible because I bought it significantly cheaper than that. Probably around about $20. Let that one sink in for a moment. XRP at 61 cents. And of course, my other favorites are the banking coins. Utility is absolute king. The payment rails of the future. How money's moved through the entire planet. How is it being moved? The payment rails are important. It's getting faster. It's getting scalable. Quicker transactions. It's just a matter of time when the switch will be flipped, right? Again, Hedera is 11 cents. XLM is at 12 cents. Scrolling down some other gems in my opinion, and I know everyone's got their own opinions about this, but I mean, after the amount of research that I've been doing and reading, I mean, IOTA 31 cents as well, and of course we've got Algorand, which I'm incredibly bullish on also, as well as Quant, which is currently sitting at $121. It's been pretty flat with Quant, to be quite honest with you. And we also have XDC, we've got Optimism, we have Chainlink, which is incredibly bullish as well. And these are all coins that are part of this new financial world. Let's have a look at crypto bubbles. And before I do, yes, I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. I've just literally posted up a few posts up in there as well. A lot of useful information. As I said, the dividend paying stocks are important to me as well. Just forms a huge part of this. All my crypto buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots with 3 commas on OKX. Everything's in the Wall Street Bull University. And more to the point, you can speak to other human beings real time. It's absolutely awesome. And I literally just spent a few moments replying to all of the DMs as well. So you can directly message me in here and we can talk, which is incredible as well. Just makes it so much easier. And again, I've kept it at $5 US a month, $8.50 Aussie a month, which is nothing compared to what people have made in the crypto trading bots. No BS. And I'm getting so many positive messages. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. And again, if you're coming up to the Gold Coast next week, look forward to meeting you all there and speaking with all of you. It's going to be incredible. Again, let's have a look here at 3 commas. Again, incredible trading software. It's no BS. You can't make this stuff up. It literally trades the markets for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Again, I've switched on all of the bots. Currently got 77 bots at the moment. Now, there are liquidations that, of course, have taken place, but I'm still remaining incredibly bullish. I've just inserted, which is hilarious, but I've just put more funds into the trading account. I am trading all the spot markets. These bots are just working 24/7. They're good to have in the background. The significant bots are, of course, the multi-bots, which for me have made some incredible gains, right? So it's nuts. I've got these sets, of course, on an RSI indicator, trading both long and short, using the 3-minute time frame, taking 1.5% profits. I also have the single pair bots trading on 15x leverage. Now, again, I do not recommend trading with leverage. You will get liquidated when there's a massive correction or a correction of some sort, right? It does happen. So be careful with this. I do not recommend trading with leverage, but these bots have been making ridiculous gains, okay? Everything for 3 commas is linked below. I will be making a full dedicated video on this, on how to actually set this up. So just please bear with me because I'm just flat out at the moment. But I'm going to OKX. On the month, we're still up 54%. That is $6,437.08. Now, again, on the day, today, it's been very, very flat. On the week, we're still down 900. I mean, I did hit 21K in this portfolio, dropped down to 1,800, and we're slowly creeping our way back up. But on the month, mind-blowing gains, okay? Now, again, all of the bots are currently trading at the moment. I've got 50 positions opened up, 117 open orders, and again, it is Sunday, so the market's quiet. Being real with you guys, it does fluctuate with the market, okay? Anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles. Guys, join the Wall Street Bull University. It's linked below. On the hour, it's a sea of red. Everyone's favorite is Hex. Not really. That is currently the only one in the green at the moment. I'm not going to be talking about that. I am not. CFX, Conflux Network right here, 4.9% on the day. Right now, it's currently sitting at 44 cents, which is very, very nice, and 10% on the year. An S&P 500 return, right? We've got 298% return all year and still up 7.6 on the day. That's $36 at the moment. Absolutely incredible. And there are still good buying opportunities. We are not even in the full-blown bull market yet. It's leading up to it. Okay, people need to be aware of this. This is nothing. Honestly, it's crazy to think that. But now, bullish news. XRP is literally been listed in the top 10 cryptos to invest in. I mean, is Forbes giving financial advice, right? Anyway, XRP has made it to the list of the top 10 digital assets that Forbes recommended for the crypto investors this month. Leading media outlet again, its list of top 10 cryptocurrencies suitable for investment in March 2024. Interestingly, XRP made this month's list of the top 10 cryptos, which is fascinating because it should have always been there, and it should be literally just below Bitcoin, and it has done it before. It has flipped Ethereum. Reasons for the selection. Specifically, Forbes advisors mentioned that XRP had a market cap of $38.5 billion, with each unit of the coin priced at 70 cents USD. They also shared a brief history of XRP, including stating that some of Ripple's execs created the coin. Furthermore, Forbes emphasized that XRP can be used as a bridge currency to Ripple network to facilitate the exchange of different fiat currencies. or cash. Euros to US dollar to Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, the British pound. This is huge. The foreign exchange market is trillions of dollars per day, literally. And if you haven't traded foreign exchange, go and have a look at it. It's wild. And again, analysts issue favorable predictions for XRP. And despite the underperformance, which I know personally that everyone's quite frustrated with, several analysts are optimistic of the 7th largest cryptocurrency would still embark on a rally that could send shockwaves in the market. And as reported earlier, top analyst Mickey Bull recently revealed that XRP broke out from its symmetrical triangle where it had been trading since April 2021. Following the breakout, the analyst projected the XRP price to soar to $6. Bring it on. Cannot wait for that. I'm not going to get into the other reasons why it could pump in March. We're waiting on an update from the SEC lawsuit, and I believe Stuart Alderodi did put an update about that, as well as James K. Fine. We're still progressing with this legal matter. It is very annoying. We're all like half lawyers at the moment, right? Grayscale is pushing forward for their Ethereum ETF despite the low approval odds, and I think this is a very strategic move on Grayscale's part. As much as they've pissed me off, thank you, Gucci. As much as they've pissed us off selling as much Bitcoin as they can, they are pushing forward with the ETF application and updating its application to the SEC. The company argues that the success of the Ethereum futures ETF supports the case for the direct Ethereum ETF. I agree. Why would you support a futures ETF and not a spot ETF? Come on, Gary Gensler, get your SHIT together, please. Grayscale's proposal aims to convert its Ethereum trust into an ETF for trading on the New York Stock Exchange, which, could you imagine if they start selling off a lot of Ethereum? But anyway, the Crypto.com CEO, excuse me, is very, very bullish and gives a very interesting update as to the reason why Bitcoin has obviously corrected itself. Over the last few days, it's been quite frustrating. It dropped from an all-time high back to 67K, which is really interesting. The decline, however, is not unfamiliar territory for the digital asset, according to Chris, the CEO of Crypto.com. In a recent interview on CBDC, Chris right here shared the insights on Bitcoin's current market dynamics, drawing parallels to its historical trends. And Chris noted that similarities between the current market conditions and the strong uptrend observed in December 20 and January 2021. He highlighted the based on the proprietary data and analysis that retail sentiment mirrors that of period above, indicating potential similarities in market behavior. So essentially, it is the same thing as what happened in the previous bull market. There was a pullback and then, it just exploded. There is going to be a halving, which is occurring as well. We're 32 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. 32 days, 23 hours, 29 minutes. That is insane to think that. Cannot wait for this, ladies and gentlemen, and bring it on. Let's go to cryptometer.io and see where the money's been flowing. Buy flow, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin. Of course, we've got Litecoin, Matic, Phantom, Say. We have Sui. Very nice coins right there. Now, let's go to X, and I'm going to end up on this because it's a 13-minute video, and I want to keep it short. Thank you to those 6,200 plus people. You guys absolutely rock. You're absolute gems. And you all should come to Wave of Innovation on the Gold Coast next week. I'll be there on Saturday, all right? Have a listen to this. And you're telling me there's not going to be an XRP ETF. Listen to this.
And you don't want me to? I do.
Listen to this, please.
So you would welcome an XRP ETF then?
We would certainly welcome it, and I think it's inevitable that there'll be, multiple ETFs around different tokens. I think you'll even see ETFs potentially around baskets that also, I think, further diversify that risk.
I think we're going to see a lot of filings come out for Ethereum. I even think we might see something for Ripple, given the recent progress.
Right.
You notice that Grayscale just added Ripple to one of their trusts that's publicly traded. So it wouldn't surprise me if we saw Ripple or Ethereum spot ETFs out there.
ETF? How about an XRP ETF? I know you got Ether out there. How about XRP? Can you answer that?
I can't. And you don't want me to?
I do.
Well, I can't.
All right.
Please, come on. Again, we've got John E. Deaton, who is making an appearance next week on the Gold Coast. Again, donated $500,000 to his Senate campaign against Elizabeth Warren. He's going to win that seat. Can't wait to meet you, Mr. John E. Deaton. Absolute legend. Now, again, Bears, Crypto Rover, love this tweet, but Bears will not win this game until the spot Bitcoin ETF inflow stops. Last week, spot ETFs accumulated over 32,000 Bitcoin. Super yacht stuff, right? Crazy. And thank you, Emily, for this one. But the SEPA switch to the new version of ISO 222 will take place today, Sunday, the 17th of March. Common, global, and end-to-end standard. That is bullish as anything, ladies and gents. And of course, the fear and greed index is sitting at 79 not long ago. This is an interview about Bitcoin. I'm not going to play this because we'll be here all night. But guys, there is a bullish week coming up for crypto, Bitcoin in general. There's going to be more demand and not enough supply. There you go. It's self-explanatory. If you don't know what that means, go look it up. Basically means that the Bitcoin halving is going to halve the mining rewards from 900 Bitcoin to 450. And yet on the other side of that, you've got these institutions buying up a lot of Bitcoin. Do the research. That's all I'm going to say. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. I hope you all are doing well. Join the Patreon. Make sure you have a good night, good afternoon, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, bulls. Take care of yourselves.